Starting off with the design, we have to search e-card in the search bar and click e-card landscape. Now we'll change the background color into a kind of a cream color. Then you can search up Holi under elements and you can get all your items that you want to place on the canvas. If you are working without the Canva Pro membership, make sure not to select any elements that are available under Pro, otherwise you will be unable to download the card without the membership. So our text of Happy Holi will be going over here. So let's just get that. Add a heading. Write Happy Holi. Choose any font that you would like to have. I will choose apricots. I will change the text color to a dark purple. Since it looks a bit empty, I'll get some paint splats and a water gun to put on the corners. Now I will resize the elements according to my liking. Now to make this a little bit more interactive, I will add some animations. So click on the element, click on this button animate. There are a lot of options to choose from. For this particular element, I will choose tumble. For the hands, I will select pop and pulse. And for the water gun, I will choose wiggle. Now let's play it and see what it looks like. For the text, I think it looks a little bit bare, so I will go to effects and click left. Then you can change the intensity or whatever, and if you want you can even curve the text like this and change the intensity of the curve. Now I'll add animation for the other elements also. So I'll click on the spray paint, animate, and I will select spray paint option like that. Same for the other spray paint element. For Happy Holi, I will select animation as pop, and for the flowers, I think I will choose breathe. So let's check how it looks. Looks good.